Hey everybody, this is day 30, dose 60. So I got to make up a new batch in the morning, and I'm hoping to get one more out of this. I've got to upload a bunch of videos I got behind. But anyway, so I'm still like 201, still kind of holding, but today I kind of cheated and had Bojangles, and tonight I'm going to have a steak, small steak. So anyway, I'm just trying to get down to 199 by like Sunday. So I got a couple days to cheat, and so I'm going to cheat and then make up some more. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to try to get one more dose out of this tonight. And it's going to be really close, so I don't know if I get a full dose or not, but this is when you got to flip it all the way up. Kind of take it out of the top. But there should be one more in here. We'll see. Yep. One more. That's good. So just a little bitty bit left in there, so that's great. All right, so tomorrow we will mix up another batch. And by Sunday I'm going to try to be around 199. So, and then I got 15 days, that's it, and all I'm trying to do is get down to 180. So I'm looking at 10 pounds, so, or 20 pounds. So I doubt I get down to 180, but I'll get close, and then I'll stop the diet. So we'll see. If I follow the diet exactly right, I know that I can get down to 180, but I don't think it's going to happen because I'm not going to follow it exactly right. So anyway, let's take this dose. This is dose 60, day 30. All right, there it is. So I will see you all tomorrow morning when I make the next dose and try to get back on track with these videos.